Hello again, this is Eric Miskell with EMS Now on the show floor here at Apex 2020. Have some visitors here from Nordson ASYMTEK. Thank you for joining me, ladies. We have both Sonia and Camille, product managers. Why don't we start, Camille, on the far end here, talking about what's new, what's happening, and you're on the conformal coating side of the business. So
yes, well, first off, thank you for having us here. So at Nordson, we've always pioneered process solutions, and we're here showing our latest developments in that aspect. So on the conformal coating side, we have a new process control that we've introduced that closes the loop around atomized spray applications and also small volume conformal coating type applications, which are areas that haven't had as much in the way of process controls.
Right.
So with what we've introduced, it is able to log and trace information as well as just maintain process control. So we're really excited about our new feature cadence. And then taking a higher level look at that, at conformal coating in general. Conformal coating is really an entire process. It's not just the application of fluid on a board. So there's the coating, the curing, and the inspection. And so we have our panorama line solution, which addresses conformal coating as the entire process as opposed to the individual system. So from that perspective, we provide the expertise on all those three different aspects and are delivering a solution that's much more cohesive and ties all of the processes in conformal coating together. Some communication and interaction between machines too. So really trying to deliver holistic solutions to our customers.
yeah, good. What do you have to add to all that?
Well, thanks for having us, by the way. Well, we also are introducing a VorTeq progressive cavity pump. We're focusing on the two-component capabilities, but we're offering a series of families to address very small volumetric outputs for MEMS devices, mobile devices, all the way up to very large volume for automotive applications. And in each of the family series, we are offering it both for one component and two components. The nice thing about the progressive cavity pump is that you'll get the highest benefits for volumetric accuracy, and with the two-component capabilities, it allows us to get into those markets where there's not already very small volume for two components, and at the same time also address the very large volume for automotive. We have come up with a product that we hope our customers like. It's easy to use. Going between production mode to calibration to production to night mode is fairly easy. And we see that some of our customers are trending to that 2K arena to allow the materials to last longer. And there's a lot less cleaning involved with that. So they're seeing a lot of benefits from converting to this two-component capability.
And how has this evolved then? I mean, you're talking about the new developments and what's happening, and that's all from the interaction with the customers and with the customers continually getting that feedback loop, I'm assuming, and being engaged with them, and then fine-tuning your offerings. And how does that work within Nordson then? Are you guys on the line with those customers? Who's working that?
Absolutely. So it really is an entire team effort. So from our sales members who interact with our customers directly, our field service teams, application teams, to our own interactions with customers. That's a lot of feedback that we get. And then as we continue to develop, we like to bring our expertise and apply it into new applications, kind of like what Sonia was talking about. And on the coating side, we've done handling equipment and ovens in the past, and so we're really bringing that expertise more to the forefront so we can better address what the industry concerns are and make things as easy as possible as we can for our customers.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so another way that we do it, like, for example, for VorTeq, we have reached out to specific customers, and we've given them the hardware, initial hardware, so they can test out, give us their feedback. We incorporate those changes to make it a product so that it's easier for the other customers to use. But definitely the voice of the customer is what we use to kind of help improve our products.
Yeah, to drive that, absolutely, as it should be, right?
Exactly.
So, and the show itself, how's this been here? So we were talking about that before I turned the camera on here, but the adoption, the booth, you're getting good traction here?
Yeah,
Definitely.
absolutely. I know it's pretty hard to walk between our booth and the booth right
yeah,
next to ours.
you guys always have that island there, kind of with all the Nordson family represented. So.
Right. We have our section with,
Yep.
the Nordson ASYMTEK products and the selective soldering products and the test and inspection products. So we take up a good amount of space. But I know on our areas, it's been pretty busy.
Yeah. And the customer is, Mexico's big, obviously, within the manufacturing industry. So how is that? There are a lot of people from Mexico here kind of representing that. And I mean, we're a stone's throw from the border, right? So how is that part of the market, the manufacturing, what's going down in Mexico, part of the business for you guys? Is that a big, when we're thinking of North America, is that a large piece of it?
Yeah, I think.
I would say so.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, as you know, we're a global company, so we deal with a variety of different regions, and on today's time frame, there's a lot that's shifting around and whatnot. So we're definitely seeing some degree of activity, and part of the benefit of being the global company that we are is we have the infrastructure to be able to support that.
Yeah.
So wherever the manufacturing is and wherever
You'll
our
be
customer
there.
needs are, we will be there.
You will
Yes.
be there, just call.
We will be there. We are there.
You are there, if not already.
Right.
Anything else coming around the corner here this year? Is this with these new product launches, or is anything other to be expected from ASYMTEK this year? Or can you not say yet?
I know we've got a lot that's in the works. Obviously, we continue to push ourselves in dispense
Yep.
and conformal coating technologies, and a number of our customers are here, and so they also come with their ideas and requests for future developments.
Right.
So I think there's still a lot of material to work with in the
Yeah.
future.
We're always working on something. It's just a matter of when we want to disclose it to them.
Well, no, absolutely.
Of
no,
course,
and I
right?
understand that part
Yeah.
of it. But no, especially with what you guys do and being such a critical part of the process, and I'm sure being challenged and from materials that we talk to those people too, and the changes going on there, and you must have to adopt to those ever-changing requirements as well within what you're producing, right?
Yeah.
So
Absolutely. We have to listen to our customers. You
Yeah.
know, without our customers, we wouldn't be here. So we try to take that feedback, apply it to our products, make it easier for the end user. And that's really why we make these changes into our products
Okay.
to address those challenges.
good. Well, I appreciate your time today, ladies. I just got the hook here, so to speak.
Okay.
You didn't see that, but I
Okay.
did. So, but thank you for the time. I'm glad. Continued success at the show here today, and hopefully we catch up later in the year again.
Thank you.